Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best COVID test is probably one of the most essential tools for navigating our current health landscape, offering peace of mind and the ability to take swift action when it matters most, allowing you to protect yourself, your loved ones, and your community with confidence and convenience right from the comfort of your home, making it an indispensable part of responsible health management in today's world. Number 5. iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Introducing the iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Get accurate results quickly and conveniently, right at home. Join millions of families who trust our product. It's a leading choice for at-home testing, delivered nationwide. No more waiting for lab results. This FDA-authorized test provides results in just 15 minutes, detecting current infections. Testing is simple and comfortable with a non-invasive nasal swab. It's designed for ease of use, with optional app guidance. Stay informed about current variants. This test is designed to detect multiple strains of the virus. Suitable for individuals aged 2 and above. Adult supervision is recommended for younger children during testing. What we like? This option is a reliable choice, trusted by millions and capable of detecting multiple COVID-19 variants. If you're looking for a widely used and dependable test that keeps up with evolving strains, this is a great pick. It's also designed for ease of use with minimal discomfort, making it suitable for families. What people say. The test kit is FDA approved, ensuring its reliability and accuracy for home use. This rapid COVID home test kit provides results quickly, allowing for timely decision-making regarding isolation and treatment. The design of the test kit is user-friendly, making it easy for individuals to perform the test correctly at home without professional assistance. Number 4. iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Introducing the iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Get accurate results in just 15 minutes, right from the comfort of your home. No need to send samples to a lab. Testing is simple and comfortable with our non-invasive nasal swab. Just insert it slightly for easy sample collection. Optional instructional videos are available. This test is suitable for individuals aged 15 and older. Adult collection is required for children aged 2 to 14. Easily manage and track test results for your group, whether at school, work, or an event, using our dedicated mobile app. Each test component comes in independently sealed packaging, ensuring safe and hygienic testing every time. This test is FDA authorized for over-the-counter use, giving you peace of mind and convenient access to self-testing. What we like? Consider this if you need to manage testing for a group, like at a workplace or school event, thanks to its mobile app feature. If you prioritize a completely comfortable testing experience with zero discomfort and appreciate the added hygiene of independently sealed packaging, this is the one for you. What people say. The test is easy to use and provides accurate results. The kit includes all necessary components for testing. The results are available quickly, within 15 minutes. Number 3. CLINITEST Rapid COVID-19 Antigen Self-Test, 5 tests. Introducing the CLINITEST Rapid COVID-19 Antigen Self-Test. Get reliable results in just 15 minutes, right from the comfort of your home. This test kit is FDA EUA authorized for over-the-counter use, making it easy to access and administer yourself. It's designed for individuals aged 2 years and older. Our easy-to-use design means you simply swab and test. It provides an accurate COVID-19 rapid test without any hassle. Don't wait for results. This test kit delivers accurate information in just 15 minutes, so you can be prepared for what's next. Rest assured, it can detect all current COVID-19 variants of concern, including Delta and Omicron. It's a reliable tool for monitoring your health. While individuals 14 and up can self-administer, those aged 2 to 13 will need an adult to help with the test. It's a convenient solution for the whole family. What we like? This is an excellent choice if you need multiple tests, as it comes in a pack of 5. If staying ahead of all current COVID-19 variants is a priority and you want quick, 15-minute results, this kit delivers. It's ideal for households that want to be prepared with several tests on hand. What people say. Easy to use and accurate results. The test kit is convenient and provides results quickly. FDA approved, ensuring reliability and safety. Number 2. Flowflex COVID-19 Antigen Home Test Kit. Introducing the Flowflex COVID-19 Antigen Home Test. Get accurate results in just 15 minutes, providing quick peace of mind for your family's health. This test is engineered with the same high standards and sensitivity used by healthcare professionals. You can get reliable results without needing a prescription or sending samples to a lab. It's approved for self-testing for individuals 14 and older. For younger children ages 2 and up, an adult can easily administer the test. The kit includes everything you need for testing: a non-invasive nasal swab, extraction buffer, and test cassette. Clear, step-by-step instructions are provided in English and Spanish. With a 2-year shelf life, this trusted test stays fresh and ready for when you need it most. Its compact design makes it perfect for home health kits and travel. This convenient testing solution is eligible for purchase with your FSA and HSA funds, making it an accessible option for managing your health. What we like. If long-term preparedness is key, you'll appreciate the generous 2-year shelf life of this test. It's also a smart choice for managing healthcare expenses, being FSA and HSA eligible. If clear, bilingual instructions are important for your household, this option makes testing straightforward. What people say. The test is easy to use and provides accurate results. The kit includes everything needed for testing, making it convenient. The results are available quickly, typically within 15 minutes. Number 1. Boson Rapid SARS-CoV-2 Antigen Test Card. Introducing the Boson Rapid SARS-CoV-2 Antigen Test Card, your quick solution for COVID-19 detection. Get accurate results in just 15 minutes, right at home. This test is authorized by the FDA under an emergency use authorization. It's designed for easy, at-home use, eliminating the need for lab visits. Perform the test wherever you are, whenever you need to. Its convenient size makes it easy to carry, and each pack contains 2 tests. Experience a comfortable self-test with a gentle nasal swab. It's designed for individuals aged 14 and above, with adult supervision for younger children. This reliable test can detect both symptomatic and non-symptomatic COVID-19 infections. It's a safe and effective choice for your at-home health needs. Each pack provides 2 tests, ensuring you have a backup or can test multiple individuals. It's a practical solution for households. What we like. This test is a safe bet for detecting both symptomatic and non-symptomatic infections, making it a comprehensive choice. If you value convenience and portability for testing anywhere, anytime, its compact design is perfect. For those who prioritize a comfortable testing experience with a gentle nasal swab, this is a great option. What people say. The test is very easy to use and provides accurate results. The kit comes with clear instructions and all the necessary components for testing. The results are available within 15 minutes, which is very convenient for quick screening. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.